Welcome to Disney's Aulani Resort in Ko Olina, Hawaii. This is room 1252, a one-bedroom villa with a connecting door to a studio to make the full two-bedroom floor plan. Upon entry is the full kitchen with all major appliances, including a coffee machine, Keurig, and rice cooker, and is stocked with a complete set of kitchenware and dinnerware for a family of 6 or 8. The dining room seats 4 easily, and there is a stacked washer and dryer in the pantry. Disney provides laundry detergent as well. The door in the living room leads to the studio floor plan. The living room has a sofa sleeper and 2 chairs, with a single Murphy bed in the cabinet under the television. The TV is a large screen with a comprehensive resort system along with TV and movies. And of course, they specialize in Disney movies. Also in the living room is a coat closet with the villa safe and a laundry basket. The balcony is the gem of the villa. It spans the width of the entire villa with 4 chairs and 2 tables. And the panoramic view includes the mountains, lazy river, pool, and slides in the foreground, as well as the beach, lagoon, and as this villa faces west, the sun sets straight out from the villa each night. The bedroom features a king-size bed, large screen TV with the same features as the living room television, desk and chair with electrical outlets and USB outlets. There are also electrical outlets at each nightstand. The bathroom includes a jetted tub with shutters that can be opened to view the TV or the sunset. The bedroom closet includes a pack and play, iron and ironing board, and bedding for the sofa sleeper. There is also a vanity in this portion of the bathroom. There is a door leading from the shower and toilet to the foyer, so guests in the living room can use the bathroom without disturbing people in the master bedroom. The shower includes a rain shower and standard shower head. Thanks for watching this quick tour of room 1252, a one-bedroom villa at Disney's Aulani Resort in Ko Olina, Hawaii. If you found this helpful, informative, or entertaining and would like to see more videos, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to be alerted when we release new videos.